I'm passionate about YouTube, so we're gonna launch something on this. Chef Arthur is in the place. Everything is working all the time. I am so in love with this apartment. I was sick on the road, almost vomited in front of everyone. Alright guys, welcome to Berlin. I arrived in Berlin like 3 weeks ago. I am well settled here. Like, look at this. Honestly, this apartment is absolutely insane. I'm so happy here. It's like, I love Berlin in summer. I love because I can focus on work. I love going to sports because the sports here is amazing. I go to yoga 2 times a week at Jivamukti. I don't know if you know this kind of yoga, but it's really something. You sing at the beginning, you sing at the end. It's a flow that is I'm not sure it's a flow, but it's like it's quite hard. Like it's it's the same flow all the time. I love it there. We're each time between 60 to 80 people per class, so it's something. And I go to cycling to a place called Beyond that I love. Shout out to Gavin that I really love. There is a really nice teacher. I love Berlin and I have a very, very, very nice apartment. I go every Sunday to Berghain because it's one of my favorite places in the world. It's just amazing. I love that. It's a place where I really feel, I don't know. I just love it. It's insane. I'm obviously working also every day. You can see in one of my last video, I did like quite an update about the recent launch that we did on Europost and Eurotalk that I was kind of like disappointed a little bit. And we're focusing on the new project now. I don't know the name. I just know that we're gonna help. The thing is that I really wanted to go on a market that I really love. Am I passionate about LinkedIn? Not really. Am I passionate about YouTube? Yes, I do. We're already making money with YouTube, all of us, because Geoffrey is a thumbnail maker. I have a communication agency for sport brands, and we do quite some videos YouTube for sport brands. I have the channel with my brother Jules. So we're into YouTube. I'm passionate about YouTube, so we're gonna launch something on this. Honestly, guys, look at this apartment. How insane is that? I can chill here during the day. It's always very nice. Look at the inside, how big and how nice is that. I'm just a very happy, simple man here. I have views on like Berlin. Everything is nice. I'm just so happy and so well settled here. But one thing that I'm obviously very sad of is that I'm missing my Namibian girl that is in South Africa now, in Cape Town, and I'm going to go there in like 6 weeks, 5 weeks probably when you're gonna see this video. We'll go there in like beginning of October, and yeah, just very happy about that. Honestly, very happy with the life. I just want more work, more like revenue from the SaaS business. Just very impatient, as always. Also, guys, Chef Arthur is in the place. Super veggie is in progress. Black lentils on the left. Shiitake mushroom on the right with broccoli and cauliflower. It's cooking. I have my apple cider vinegar that is ready. I have my garlic, cumin, and ginger ready. I'm gonna show you at the end. It's my everyday process. I do around 6 to 10 super veggie per week and I love it. Okay, almost done. I've almost mixed everything. Now I'm gonna put the lentils here. I'm gonna clean the lentils with fresh water. Okay, now I'm going to take this again. I'm going to put the lentils inside. I think I've done way too much, so I'm probably going to have some for tonight. I always do too much. Okay, let me actually also put the apple cider vinegar, cumin. Many of you guys will, it's a lot. Okay, and last one is this. Sheesh, it doesn't really look good. There's too much on the top. Okay, done. And this is the result of the super veggie. I have to be honest, I had a little bit of cheese just to be happy. And taking my laptop to eat, chill. Honestly guys, I love the super veggie. That is clearly not the most tastiest meal, but I really like it. It's healthy. I have no tummy issues. I used to have a lot of like tummy pain issues for years. Now I don't have it anymore. I don't have like kind of like inflammation. I don't have like a low in the afternoon. It's just working for me. It's been April, May, June, July, August. It's been 5 months I'm doing it every single lunch, except the weekends, except the Sunday basically. But I really like it. Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you why I love Berlin. I think you just saw it in the videos. But what I love about Berlin is that people are very calm, very educated, maybe. Very like disciplined. There's not like a weird noise of cars. Everyone has his own space. The tram, the cars, the people, the walkers, the bike. It's like, it's really well done, and I really love Berlin for that. I already told you that I love Berghain, obviously. I love the sports, that everything is just easy. There's never like a problem, never something that doesn't work. Everything is working all the time. This is Germany, German qualidad, and I really like this. Also because the rest of the year I live in Cape Town and sometimes in Marseille, and this is clearly two cities that don't really work. So I mean, compared to Berlin, that's why. And I kind of like the mix of like city of Marseille, which is very like dirty and very like noisy and just inconvenient, where here it's like the opposite. I love the mixity of it. Alright guys, so we're Saturday 24 something August, and one of my best friend Nas that you saw in the last video, probably in Trouville, is coming from Paris. He's here for the weekend. We have a museum plan this afternoon, and we gonna go to Berghain tomorrow. It's gonna be a very nice weekend in Berlin. We're so happy. We actually went together in Berlin like probably 10 years ago. We went together in Berlin like 2 or 3 times. We love the city. We already went to Berghain together, and it's gonna be a very nice weekend. I'm looking forward. We're gonna chill on the terrace. We're gonna go out. It's gonna be a very, very, very nice weekend. I am so in love with this apartment. It's like, I could live here all year long, honestly. Just if it was summer, because Berlin in winter is not a vibe for me. today with the machine, not Tajarashti. Museum was really nice. We had a very nice walks. I was sick on the road, almost vomited in front of everyone. Just felt the spicy food that we had for lunch wasn't for me. Pretty sure they switched what we asked for. I think they switched the plate from Nas and I. Anyway, tomorrow morning, Berghain. We'll see if we get in. It's gonna be very stressful as always, but we like it. I will keep you posted if we get into Berghain.